come up and illustrate special relativity, Albert Einstein used this thought experiment. It's called the train lightning experiment. Imagine two people, one in a moving train and the other standing in a platform. And there are two lightning strikes and they happen both at the same time. The one that's standing on the platform will see them striking and hitting the ground at the same time, but the one that's in a moving train will see them one hit before the other and then the other hits next. How can two people experience the same thing completely different? So this is the concept of time dilation, which most people know from Interstellar. He used this concept to prove that James Clerk Maxwell was right by saying the speed of light is constant, and disprove Isaac Newton that said time is absolute. Doesn't matter where you are, time will always remain the same. The other thought experiment is called the Einstein twins. He imagined one twin goes up in a rocket and goes to space. This is high speeds, and the other remains here on Earth. The one that's traveling is going to age slower than the one that's staying right here on Earth. This is due to time dilation. So time can move either slower or faster for an object relative to its motion. So for those that still don't understand this concept of relativity, I'll make it easier for everyone. Imagine you're in a coal plant. A few seconds will feel like hours, but when you're in bed with a beautiful girl, hours feels like minutes or even seconds. So that's relativity in a nutshell. When we take it together, it actually helped us understand, have more understanding between time, space, and the relationship between mass and energy. E is equals to mc squared, right? So actually imagine taking a small mass. You can take that small mass and actually convert it into large amounts of energy. This is what we use to actually create the nuclear bomb. And now we're using that same technology to actually create nuclear energy that one day, possibly, everyone will be using. Albert Einstein is arguably the most important human being to have ever lived. Some of his most significant contributions include Avogadro's constant, quantum theory of light, special theory of relativity, which we just spoke of, wave-particle duality, Brownian motion, the relationship between mass and energy, and the Bose-Einstein condensate. So this is how we reach scientific discoveries or theories.